Good Sunday evening to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchers, and this is your outlook for Monday, May 20th, 2013. And we're starting off today with the Storm Prediction Center's outlook for thunderstorms on Monday. The green area here is an area where they expect thunderstorms to be. I really think these are going to be, garden variety, very isolated pop-up thunderstorms that could happen in this area here. We are going to have some good surface heating today. With the winds turning to the southwest, and that can promote some thunderstorms popping up just about anywhere. But these will be extremely isolated in nature and not a big deal as far as severe weather is concerned. I can't say the same thing for areas out here in the Midwest. Yesterday we had some very at least 25 reports of tornadoes over in this area here, and really today the moderate risk is in the red area. It really hasn't moved much. Maybe a little bit to the southeast to include Oklahoma City up to Joplin, Missouri. Just some terrible weather out there. They're having as far as tornadoes from Texas a couple days ago, and now into Oklahoma and Kansas last night. This area will be moving with a low pressure northeast, and I want to show you what we're looking at synoptically here. As far as this is off the European model from Weather Bureau Analytics. We're going to have a low pressure system that's going to be sitting here tomorrow, and a cold front kind of sitting back like this, associated warm front kind of sitting like this. Okay, now there's going to be a boundary to our south here that's been stalled for a little bit. This is actually going to dissipate, and because this boundary was to our south, we had winds that are kind of coming off the ocean like this, and with that onshore flow, that's why we had cloudy skies this weekend. If the quicker this front dissipates, and the winds will be allowed to shift to the southwest and to promote that heating that we're expecting today. If you don't have the onshore flow, we might be able to clear things out a little bit more today than yesterday. So we went with mostly cloudy skies today, but still a chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm just about any time. The thunderstorm chance will be this afternoon with the instability building. And that low pressure that's sitting up here over the next couple of days will be heading out this way up into southeast Canada eventually by the end of the week and taking the cold front with it. Okay, we're going to look at a close-up now. Now this is Monday afternoon. On the European model, still showing the chance for some very light showers possible over this area. Maybe a thunderstorm pops up over in the afternoon as well. These will be very isolated, and we might have more sun creeping into the picture than has been the case over the weekend. But then as you go forward in time here, it looks like same thing happens on Tuesday. You have that isolated thunderstorm chance over eastern PA, or actually pretty much our entire coverage area. And then it gets into a more scattered and concentrated on Wednesday, and then especially on Thursday with this cold front. We're going to have to watch this system on Thursday here. The low pressure system is now going to be up here, and it's going to be dragging this cold front with it. Depending on the timing of the system here, with still strong heating out ahead of it like this, you could have a severe weather potential here in the afternoon or evening on Thursday. It's going to depend on timing, so we're not going to jump the gun on that just yet. But there is that potential. If there is a potential for severe weather this week, it would be on Thursday, is what it's looking like right now. And then after this system will move through, the cold front will move through, maybe an early shower on Friday. Then I think we're clear out for that and the weekend. And then as we get into Monday, there's some differences in timing and placement of low pressure to the south here on the European model. The GFS actually has this up in this area is allowing for some showers. So we are going to allow for some showers on Memorial Day. We'll look at that. That's 8 days away. So it's not in the official 7-day forecast yet, but something we'll be watching for late in the holiday weekend. But it looks like at least to start Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we should be okay. But temperatures will be on the chillier side. Looking at the temperatures now, today the temperatures are expected to be up near 80, and the next couple days you're up in the low to mid 80s across much of our region here. You can see that nicely here on Wednesday. And then we get into Thursday, we're still in the mid to upper 70s. That cold front's coming through again, but depending on timing is going to determine whether or not we get into severe weather from that squall line of storms coming across the state with the cold front. And we'll take a better look at that as we get into the short range guidance. Right now we're just looking at long range stuff, and it can be a little bit erratic. So as of now, there will be plenty of instability around that. Any thunderstorms that do come through could at very least produce heavy rainfall and frequent cloud ground lightning with the amount of instability that's in place. Really unstable is going to be the next couple days in this area right here. So anything that does pop up does have that potential to dump considerable amount of rainfall and also that dangerous lightning and maybe some strong winds as it comes through as well. So it's look into the weekend now. Temperatures are going to back off a little bit to slightly below normal temperatures, but it's not expecting any rainfall, so we could be looking at upper 60s to low 70-degree readings, hovering around the 70-degree mark for the most part, plus or minus a few degrees. And looking like a nice weekend, at least through Sunday, and then the question mark will come on Monday. We'll examine it in the next couple days. I am Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchish, and that is your outlook for Monday, May 20th. Have a great day.